Something strange happened inside Tesla's headquarters this week, and almost nobody outside the boardroom knows the full story yet. A company that built its fortune on electric cars just told investors it is willing to bleed billions of dollars to become something else entirely. The numbers coming out of Tesla's second quarter look on the surface like a warning sign. But buried inside those numbers is a decision so massive it could either make Elon Musk the most powerful industrialist on the planet, or bury Tesla under its own ambition. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why Tesla's profits are falling even as its spending explodes to record highs. You will see why some of the smartest investors on Wall Street are cheering this move, while others are quietly selling their shares in fear. And you will discover the real reason Tesla is pouring more than $25 billion into technology that has nothing to do with the cars sitting in your driveway. If you want to understand where the entire AI and robotics race is truly headed, stay until the end, because the final numbers will surprise you. Before we go further, if you care about where technology, money, and power are colliding in 2026, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a breakdown like this one. This channel exists to translate confusing corporate numbers into stories that actually make sense. We are not here to hype stocks or scare you away from them. We are here to show you what the data really says. So, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's get into exactly what happened at Tesla this quarter. Let's start with the number that made headlines everywhere. Tesla's net income for the second quarter came in at roughly $1.11 billion, a drop of about 5% compared to the same period last year. On paper, that decline looks troubling for a company once famous for eye-popping growth every single quarter. Profit margins have been squeezed by price cuts, rising competition, and softer demand in key markets around the world. Yet this single number tells only a small part of a much bigger and more complicated story. Right alongside that profit drop, Tesla revealed something investors were quietly dreading: a free cash flow burn of roughly $1.09 billion. In plain terms, that means Tesla spent more cash than it brought in during the quarter, something rare for a company of its size and history. Analysts had actually feared the number could be worse, so this figure was received as a small relief rather than a full-blown crisis. Still, burning cash while profits shrink is not a combination most companies can sustain forever. Here is where the story takes its strangest turn. In the same earnings report, Tesla confirmed that its full-year capital expenditures will exceed $25 billion, a staggering figure for any company outside the biggest tech giants on Earth. That spending is not going towards simply building more factories to make more cars. It is being funneled directly into artificial intelligence systems, robotics development, and manufacturing capabilities built for a future far beyond traditional automobiles. Think about that for a second. A car company is now spending like a frontier AI lab, pouring billions into compute power, robotics engineering, and manufacturing infrastructure that most people associate with companies like NVIDIA or Google. Tesla is not just building better electric vehicles anymore. It is trying to build the physical and digital backbone of an entirely new kind of business. And that shift is exactly why this earnings report has split Wall Street right down the middle. On one side, you have investors who see this as visionary positioning. They believe Tesla is not really a car company at all, but an AI and robotics company that happens to sell vehicles as one product line among many. In their view, near-term profit weakness is a small price to pay for owning a leading position in Robotaxis, humanoid robots, and autonomous systems years before most competitors even get started. To them, $25 billion in spending is not reckless. It is a strategic bet on owning the next decade. On the other side sit investors who are far less patient, and their concerns are not unreasonable either. They point to falling net income, cash burn, and a core auto business that is under real pressure from competitors, especially fast-moving Chinese electric vehicle makers. To this group, pouring tens of billions into unproven technologies like Robotaxis and humanoid robots looks less like vision and more like a gamble with shareholder money. They want to know exactly when or if this AI and robotics bet will ever turn into real measurable profit. Both Tesla's chief financial officer and Elon Musk used the earnings call to frame this year as what they described as a massive capital expenditure year. Their message was clear and consistent. This spending is deliberate, long-term, and focused on building infrastructure that will define Tesla's future far beyond selling sedans and SUVs. They emphasized that short-term financial pain is an expected and accepted part of building something genuinely new. Whether the market fully believes that framing is a completely different question. It's worth remembering how we got here. Tesla built its entire early reputation on disrupting the auto industry with electric vehicles, something almost nobody believed was commercially possible a decade and a half ago. That bet paid off spectacularly, turning Tesla into one of the most valuable companies in the world almost overnight. Now Musk appears to be trying to repeat that exact same playbook, but this time, the target is not gasoline cars, it's human labor and human driving itself. Robotaxis sit at the very center of this new strategy, and for good reason. If Tesla can successfully deploy a large-scale autonomous ride-hailing network, it would fundamentally change how the company makes money, shifting from one-time vehicle sales toward recurring software-driven revenue. That kind of business model could theoretically be worth far more than simply selling more cars every year. But the word "if" is doing an enormous amount of work in that sentence, because full autonomy has repeatedly proven harder to achieve than almost anyone in the industry originally predicted. Alongside Robotaxis, Tesla continues pushing forward with humanoid robotics, a project that sounds like science fiction, but is now backed by real engineering teams and real manufacturing investment. The idea is deceptively simple. Build a general-purpose robot capable of performing physical labor in factories, warehouses, and eventually homes. If Tesla succeeds, it would be entering a market some analysts believe could eventually dwarf the entire global automotive industry combined. If it fails, or simply takes far longer than promised, billions of dollars in capital expenditure will have been spent chasing a dream that never fully materialized. This is precisely why the $25 billion capex number matters so much more than a single quarter's profit figure. Wall Street has seen companies talk about ambitious future technology before, often as a distraction from weaker core business performance. What makes Tesla's move different is the sheer scale of committed spending that is already locked in, regardless of how the underlying auto business performs this year. That level of commitment either signals extraordinary confidence or extraordinary risk, depending entirely on which side of this debate you happen to trust. Meanwhile, competitive pressure on Tesla's traditional car business has not disappeared, and arguably it's intensifying. Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers continue expanding aggressively, often undercutting Tesla on price while closing the technology gap faster than many analysts expected. In markets across Europe and Asia, Tesla is no longer the automatic default choice for EV buyers it once was. That reality puts even more pressure on the AI and robotics pivot to succeed, because the safety net of dominant car sales growth is no longer guaranteed. European demand actually offered Tesla a rare bright spot earlier this year, helping deliveries recover after a rough stretch. But even that recovery came with an asterisk, since much of the industry's overall growth in Europe is increasingly being captured by fast-rising Chinese brands rather than Tesla alone. It's a reminder that even good news for Tesla often arrives wrapped in a warning about how much tougher the competitive landscape has become. Nothing about Tesla's position today looks as unshakable as it did just a few years ago. So why would a company facing real competitive threats choose this exact moment to dramatically increase spending on unproven future technology? The answer, according to Tesla's leadership, is timing. They believe the AI and robotics window will not stay open forever, and that whoever builds dominant infrastructure first will control the market for decades to come. In other words, Tesla appears to be betting that moving fast now, even at real financial cost, beats moving cautiously and potentially arriving too late. That kind of thinking echoes something happening across the entire technology industry right now, not just at Tesla. Companies from Google to Meta to Amazon are all dramatically increasing capital spending on artificial intelligence infrastructure, chips, and data centers, often well ahead of proven guaranteed returns. Tesla's $25 billion bet fits into this much larger pattern of an entire industry racing to build physical AI capacity before their competitors get there first. The difference is that Tesla is attempting this while simultaneously running a massive, capital-intensive, increasingly competitive global car business. For everyday investors watching from the outside, this creates a genuinely difficult decision. Do you trust that Tesla's leadership can successfully execute one of the most ambitious technology pivots any company has ever attempted? Or do you worry that spreading resources across cars, robotaxis, humanoid robots, and AI infrastructure all at once is simply too much for even a company as ambitious as Tesla to pull off? There is no obvious right answer, and that uncertainty is exactly what's driving the sharp split we're seeing in market sentiment. It's also worth noting how markets actually reacted once these numbers became public. Tesla's shares slipped following the earnings release, a signal that, at least in the short term, investors weighed the profit miss more heavily than the long-term AI vision. That reaction doesn't necessarily mean the market has rejected Musk's broader strategy. It simply shows that patience for unproven bets tends to shrink whenever current financial performance starts showing real cracks. There's a pattern worth mentioning here because Tesla has a long history of ambitious timelines that slipped further than promised. Full self-driving capability has been described as nearly ready for years now, yet true, unsupervised autonomy at massive scale still has not fully arrived. That track record doesn't necessarily mean the current robotics and robotaxi push will fail the same way, but it does explain why skeptical investors treat every new Tesla promise with a healthy dose of caution rather than blind faith. Behind the scenes, a huge portion of this capital spending is going into raw computing power, custom AI training chips, and specialized data centers designed to teach Tesla's systems how to see, reason, and move through the physical world. This is the unglamorous, expensive infrastructure layer that almost never makes headlines, but ultimately determines whether any of these ambitious products actually work. Building that kind of compute capacity from scratch is enormously expensive, which helps explain why the capital expenditure number keeps climbing higher than expected. Without this infrastructure, none of Tesla's Robotaxi or humanoid robot promises would even be technically possible. There's also a bigger societal question hovering over all of this that goes beyond quarterly earnings. If humanoid robots eventually succeed at performing real physical labor at scale, the implications for factory work, logistics, and even some service jobs could be enormous. Tesla is essentially betting that being first to solve this problem is worth the financial risk today, regardless of how society eventually adapts to that outcome. That makes this earnings story about far more than stock prices. It touches on how work itself might change in the years ahead. History offers an interesting parallel worth remembering here. Years ago, Amazon poured enormous amounts of cash into cloud computing infrastructure long before that division became hugely profitable, worrying investors at the time in very similar ways. That patient, expensive bet eventually became one of the most valuable business decisions in modern corporate history. Whether Tesla's AI and robotics spending follows that same path, or instead becomes a costly detour, is precisely the multi-billion-dollar question every investor is now trying to answer. In the best-case scenario, Tesla's robotaxi network scales successfully within the next few years, humanoid robots move from prototypes into real paying customers, and the massive capital expenditure starts converting into genuine recurring revenue. If that happens, today's falling profits would look, in hindsight, like a small and necessary sacrifice for a much larger prize. Tesla's valuation could shift entirely away from being judged as a car company toward being judged as a dominant AI and robotics platform. That outcome is exactly what bullish investors are quietly hoping and betting on right now. In the worst-case scenario, robotaxi deployment stalls under regulatory, safety, or technical hurdles, and humanoid robots remain expensive prototypes for far longer than promised. Meanwhile, the core car business keeps losing ground to cheaper, increasingly capable competitors from China and elsewhere. If both of those pressures hit at once, Tesla could find itself burning enormous amounts of cash without a clear path back to strong, reliable profitability. That combination is precisely what worried, skeptical investors fear could actually be unfolding right now. So, what should you actually watch going forward if you want to understand how this story unfolds? Keep a close eye on robotaxi deployment numbers, since real-world scale and safety data will reveal far more than any earnings call promise ever could. Watch humanoid robot production timelines closely too, because repeated delays would seriously undermine confidence in Tesla's broader AI and robotics narrative. And pay attention to free cash flow trends in coming quarters, since continued cash burn without visible AI revenue would sharply increase pressure on Tesla's leadership. There's a bigger picture question worth sitting with here as well. Is Tesla actually building the future of transportation and robotics, or is it simply the latest company caught up in an industry-wide AI spending frenzy that may not fully pay off for years? Right now, genuinely, nobody outside Tesla knows the true answer with complete certainty. Not analysts, not journalists, and possibly not even Tesla's own leadership team. What we do know for certain is that the next few quarters will reveal a great deal about which version of this story turns out to be true. So here's the real question. This earnings report leaves us with: is Elon Musk making the boldest and smartest bet of his entire career? Or is Tesla quietly setting itself up for one of the most expensive miscalculations in corporate history? Only time and a lot more spending will give us the true answer. If this breakdown helped you understand what's really happening behind Tesla's headline numbers, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next deep dive into where technology and money are colliding. Drop a comment below telling us which side of this debate you're on, because this conversation is only just getting started.